Hello, YouTube. I finally got my hands on the Retevis RA87 mobile radios. These mobile radios can be put into a repeater mode, and you plug in one cable, and you go into the menu, and you turn them into a repeater. Now, if you're looking to get some good deals and pricing on these radios, I'm going to post a link to John's eBay store, but you're better off to send him an email like I did. I sent him an email, free shipping in the US. Shoot him an email. It's fast, it's quick. He'll send you a PayPal link to make payment, and then boom, he gets this stuff out, shipped out fast to you. And then you're probably wondering, why do I need more repeaters? Well, I technically don't, but I am in the process of designing an interface board that's going to work with these radios. Now, this interface board is going to have a lot of features. It's going to have built-in repeater ID using an MP3 file, so you don't need a computer. It's also going to have a COM port, so you can use a computer to do weather announcements. Or if you want to do some other type of functions, it will have a COM port for that. It's also going to have an alternative message that you can do without a computer if you choose to. It's also going to have a digital display to help do your selections a lot easier. It's going to have a direct solar hookup, so you don't need any converters, none of that stuff. It's a lot of features. I just name a few. So if you're interested in that type of interface board, I'll post a link down below where you can sign up to get notified if and when it becomes available. I'm also going to, like I said, I'm going to post a link for these radios. You can send John an email. It's free shipping. Shoot him an email and say, hey, I want these radios, and see what he can do for you. Also, if you're looking for a rack, a nice 3D printed rack, shoot me. I'll put a link down below where you can purchase it. I have this available. It does not come with the screws. You just get the rack, and that's it. I may also offer a fan mod. I did take the cover off the radio I'm going to use for transmit. That's the output IC. We want the fan to blow on there. So I'm thinking like an 80 millimeter fan with a full cover. And here's the good part, my interface board would hook up to that fan using a relay, and the interface board will be able to let the fan turn on after it's unkeyed. The timer will start to help cool. So if you want it to go for 1 minute after the PTT is done, it will start. It'll be 1 minute. If you want it to go 5 minutes, whichever. So I'll have that on my interface board is also the plan. So, but if you just want the rack, which that's all I have right now, you'll get, obviously both sides of the rack, no hardware. I did do something different on the rack. I made holes on the very top, so on each side. So if you wanted a mic holder, you just get yourself a little bolt. That's not included. The hardware is not included. Get yourself a little bolt, and you can put it on whichever side you want for your mic holder, whether you're right-handed or left-handed. So I'll post a link to my little 3D printed rack. I'll post a link to the interface board. If you're interested in that, you can sign up. And I'm also going to post the links for these radios. I can post John's eBay store link, but you're better off shooting him a message through email. I'll also post his email also in the description below. So there you have it. Some things I'm working on. I know that you're probably wondering, what about all these other interface boards? They're coming along. Like I say, I'm testing stuff as I test other things. So I am doing that. I'm running things in the background that you don't get to see on camera. I'm making sure things are running. So we're moving along. It's taking a little longer because I keep adding new features and keep doing things, which I got to quit doing. But at any rate, there you go. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have yourself a good day.